Hello, Leslie here with an Erin Condren plan with me for the month of August for 2021. I'm going to use this kit from Plannersisterstickers. They sent this to me. I think it's super fun. I did go ahead and add in the dates for their little silly holidays to incorporate that in my spread. I use my monthly spread for my YouTube channel. I like to track what videos I'm posting. It's kind of memory plannerish once I fill it out, is what I will say. But going into the month, I can't. Did I just put this down right? Okay, good. Because remember last time? Oh my gosh, did you guys see last month? Because I definitely had to rip it up because I put it on the wrong side. It was hilarious. So I love that this kit is back to school with a little bit of those sunflower, wildflower vibes. I've been posting a lot of photos in my Insta story of my garden that my son and my husband and I planted. Oh gosh, when was that? That was like May. I know that they said it would start blooming around my birthday, and I was really excited about that. So there is some washi chunks and some label stickers here. I don't think I need those, so we're just gonna set that to the side. These full boxes are great for filling in these boxes. I did go ahead and take a pen to these because originally I forgot that I had this kit, honestly. So you could use these. You can use these, or you can use this right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and use these right here and then possibly decorating with these stickers. They are adorable. So I think that's what I might do. Okay, so we'll go ahead and line it up with this line right here. Stick that down. Now you will see I did use circle sticker dots from the Shine Sticker Studio monthly. That was my original idea, and then I remembered that I had this. Now this kit does come with date dot covers, but I had already laid those down, and honestly, the like yellow, I didn't hate it, so I was like, you know what, we'll just leave that as is, and then I'll just use the extra date dots in my undated mini recollections planner. You just gotta do what works for you sometimes. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. All right, I love those. All right. We need to put down some of these deco stickers. I think that will pop on this one a little bit more. And then the backpack, which is adorable, is going to go on this one. And then I think we'll save those. We'll save those. We'll save those for a second. All right, the sidebar. Let's build up the sidebar. Here we go. So we have our, how far do I need to go out? Can I just go right there? Okay, I think that's good right there. I had to curve the page up so I could see it and not bump my mic. You know, planner problems with trying to film and sticker down at the same time, right? Okay. That look good? Nope, that looks a little crooked now. What am I doing? Okay. I'm going to bring this a bit closer to me and try to get this straight before I make it all sorts of wonky. There we go. And then, so we've got yellow, red, some pink. And then, yeah, this spread does kind of match my nails. I'm not going to lie. Is that crooked? No, that turned out straight. This one right here is totally my nail color for the win, which is funny because I was actually considering my next nail color to be yellow, like a dark yellow. I don't know. How do we feel about dark yellow nails? I would love to know. I'm like, you guys are going to be the ones staring at them. So there you go. All right. So I end up changing the sidebar a lot. I'm going to go ahead and put it to do. I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on the red one. I'm fine with that. And then the pink one, we can go ahead and use to purchase. That's fine too. Stuff I want to buy or stuff I bought, like new sticker books or something. And then let's go ahead and put mini things for this one. And then I'm going to write here like I need to schedule things out a little bit more because I feel like to purchase and spending, I know those don't mean the exact same thing, but for me, I want to go close enough. But if you're like, no, that's fine. So I'm going to be done with that sheet for now. Now these ones, this one in particular, I like to use, let's grab the tweezers. So I like to use these little quarter boxes for putting in my videos. So I have videos that go up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for sure. And then they change depending on if I can get plan with me's or monthly plan with me's or haul videos and stuff done for the other days. But my plan with me's go up on those days. We are playing with the upload time, so I would love your guys' feedback on that. We have started uploading around like 8:45, 9 o'clock. So it kind of gives you all day to watch it instead of just it goes up at 5 p.m. and then it's like, well, I hope you got to see it, you know. Okay, so did I incorporate some of the flags? Maybe those will be for the extra videos. That could be fun. That could be fun. Oh, I haven't been paying attention on if one of these needs to go down. 8/4. Yeah, there's one. 8/4 is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. Okay, so we'll throw that one in there for fun. And then this one is 8/20 is National Lazy Day. The 20th, I will be back at work by then. So I probably won't be able to celebrate that too much, but I hope you guys enjoy yourselves if you get to enjoy that day. And then 8/15 says National Back to School Prep Day, which is hilarious because that is during what is called, oh no, that's a Sunday. What is happening in the universe? I am not prepping on a Sunday. But I do go back to work on the 17th. It's called Genesis Days. It means the days that we prep before the students get here. Okay, this one's on the 16th. Tell a joke day. I'm going to need some jokes because the 16th will be my last day before my break is over. Okay, going back to this. Sorry. I jumped back because I was like, oh, I want to make sure I have room for those funny stickers. Definitely want to have room for funny stickers. I am loving the colors in this spread, you guys. It is so adorable. Anyway, so we've been doing a few different videos. I did the summer bucket list video, so I hope you guys got to see that. I am planning to do more of those, what do you call it? These pages. Not that way. Yeah, I want to do these pages more with Plan With Me's. I think having ideas for those is kind of cool. I've seen a lot of videos and I'm like, I want to do more of that. I did do a video when I was doing the shop announcements and changing things. I did do a video and filling that out in my planner. And I do utilize that space. I just don't always film it. And sometimes it's one of those things that I memory plan. So I'm trying to decide, but I feel like most people do their planner setup, and that's kind of part of their planner setup for the month. So I feel like I'm struggling with that. Am I going to run out of stickers? Oh, there's one more box. Did you guys yell at me? Did you yell? I heard ya. I was just a little delayed. Oopsies. Goodness. Goodness. Makes me think of in Notting Hill when he says whoopsie daisies. And she goes, who says whoopsie daisies? And then she said something about like little girls with blonde ringlets say whoopsie daisies. I love that movie. Okay, so then actually I need another sticker here. So we're going to grab this one. I'll put that there for that Plan With Me. So usually here I'm putting the shop name. I was wondering, I was like, how did I end up with an extra one? So this one has a bunch of different patterns. It looks almost like quilted, which I think is kind of fun. I like this one a lot. Okay, but that one's already got a lot going on, so I'm probably not going to layer in another like sticker or anything on those days. So I think I am going to grab these, and I know. So our first day of school is the 24th. So I'm going to put teach on that day because I'll start teaching that day, even though this is not for that planner. And then I'm going to put what mistake, as in like I have to go back to work. And then the teacher with the globe one, or the apple with the globe apple, whatever you want to call this. Goodness sakes, cannot talk. Where am I going to put this? Okay, we'll just put it on this one. We'll just put it there. That'll work. Okay, so I think that looks awesome. So payday wise, as far as like YouTube wise, yeah, YouTube does pay sometimes. So that's usually around, what is it, the 21st? The 21st. So I can put that one in. But bill due wise, I don't have anything for this. And then I'll keep those extra quarter boxes in here for other Plan With Me's. Now, as far as stickers that go with this particular spread, I'm looking at this one and going, that's a sunflower to me. So I'm going to grab my sunflower clip for sure. We'll grab the sunflower, all that yellow. Got to have it. And then there is a little touch of pink here and there. So I'm going to grab my Teach and Inspire little teacher tote bag clip and do the Teach and Inspire. And then once again, all that yellow. I need my yellow apple. I'm going to go with the kawaii one in this one. I do have it in a regular if you're like not into kawaii. And then there's a lot of blue. I think my bottle of glue would work. I think the bottle of glue would do just fine. And I think that's how it's going to look. I'm going to kind of spread those out because I still want you to be able to see August. Or should they go next to each other and then you can see August? I like that. I think that's how I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little plan with me. But I want you guys to be able to see it. There you go. Can you see it? Can you see it? There you go. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.